Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart and we are here to do our weekly rebate haul. We're going to do, I think, swagbucks, but we're doing, of course, Ibotta, Shopkick, Fetch, Checkout 51, all kinds of things. I got a bonus for the Weekend Warrior. It is $5 for 15 offers, but I also got a Firework bonus or a firecracker bonus. Not sure the exact name, but it is $10 for 35 offers. That does expire on the 11th of July. So we have a little bit of time to do that one. The past few times we've had bonuses like that, I haven't been able to complete them. So I'm really going to try hard to complete this one. And they lowered it a little bit for me since I haven't been doing those bonuses. So that's always fun. I also have a special guest with me today. Hi. I have Andrew. It is, of course, summer break, and it is just me and him today, and so he is coming with me to help out. He's always such a good helper when we film together. You might see him dancing a little bit. He would do that at CVS because the music's pretty good at CVS, if you ask me. But anyways, let's go inside and see what we can do. But first, we're going to take a little pit stop into Walgreens really quick. We're going to grab 2 Dollar Shave Club items. There's a really hot deal going on Fetch Rewards right now. It's only good for the 30th and the 1st of July. There are several different ways to do this. This is just how I'm going to do it. It's the easiest way, I personally believe. So anyways, you're going to go in store. You're going to pick up 2 of these. One's going to be $6.99. One's going to be $3.49. That will equal out to $10.48. You're going to use that $6.99 off 2 digital coupon. Then you're going to pay at $3.49. You will get back a $3 register reward. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get back $4.50 for each one. Then that would make your total for both of them free and an $8.51 moneymaker. Now you can do this as a curbside pickup, but you won't get the register reward. But I did see that there are multiple coupons attaching. So you really can do this a bunch of different ways, but I think this was the easiest for today anyways. Now we'll head into Walmart. So the first thing we're going to grab is the Hello Bello multivitamins. And this is a BOGO deal, but it's giving you the reward back if you buy one. So I am going to grab a Kids Sleep Well melatonin, and Andrew's already dancing. Look how grown up he is already. So we're gonna get this for, how much is it? It is $9.88, and we're gonna get back $9.98 on Ibotta. So next we're going to grab these Poise liners for $5.46. You wanna grab them for me? These ones, yes, and hold them up. And these are going to be $5.46. You'll pay that. Then we're going to get back $2 on the coupons.com app. Hold it up. And then we will get back $2 on Ibotta and $1.46 on Shopkick. Thank you, sir. So next we have these Always Discreet liners. They're $5.27, and we're going to grab 2 of them. My handler over here is wandering away. It's okay though. So 2 of these will equal out to $10.24. So these are $10.24, and we're going to use this 5 off 2 coupon from the June P&G. Now this light 3 or whatever here is working on the rebate. It didn't used to, but it is now, thankfully. And so then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, get back $5 on Ibotta, and then I have a survey on Brand Club that will give me back $2.75, and that will make these free. I'm sorry, $2.50. These will make that will make these free and a $2.26 moneymaker. So next we're going to grab these bigger Olay body washes. They're $8.47. Now my deal might be a little bit different than your deal, but it's still a very good deal without all of the components that I have. So the 2 of them will equal out to $16.94. I have the July P&G, so I'm going to use this $1 off of 2. Insert coupon from the July P&G. Andrew, take it away. All right, and just set them Yes, he's got them. Oh boy. So then we're going, thank you. So then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. We'll get back $1 on both of them. So it's $1 for two. And we're gonna submit our receipt to Shopkick, and we'll get back 1,625 kicks for each one of those, which is $6.25. Then I'm gonna submit my receipt to Brand Club, or I'm gonna, sync it with a survey reward for $2.75. That's gonna make both of these free and an 81-cent moneymaker. But without the coupon and without Brand Club, they'd be about $1.47 a piece, which still is an amazing deal. Next, we're gonna get the Dove Ultimate, and someone left a coupon here. Isn't that nice of them? So these are $9.98. You're gonna use this $3 coupon here from the 626 save insert, and then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. I'm just looking at the cents here. Ooh, this one. We're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $5 on Ibotta, making it $1.98. So I found this Happy Place body wash. Thank you. The dog singing. So this is $3, and between the scan kicks and buy kicks on Shopkick, you'll get 820 kicks back, which is $3.28, making this a small 28-cent moneymaker, but I'm gonna take it. Carefully selecting, scoping out summer toys, and he found a squirt gun. Wow, is that a bubble gun or a squirt gun?
Squirt gun, I think.
Wow. So next we're gonna get the back teen, thank you Vanna, and we're gonna grab this one here for $4.97 and this one here for $9.98. The two of them will equal out to $14.95. We're gonna grab both of them. And I have a hang tag coupon, and the reason why I'm getting two different ones is because the hang tag that we have is two different Bactine products. So I don't know if their wording means you just got to get two products or you got to get two different kinds. You know what I mean? So anyways, we're going to use this $3 coupon. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. We're going to get back $4.99 on this, and we're going to get back $2.49 on this, making both of these just $4.47, which isn't bad for two Ibotta offers. Next, we're going to grab the Pedigree dog treats, and we're going to grab the ones that are 78 cents. I mean, if you want the high protein one for $1, you can. The music is very loud right here. Don't you agree? Yes. So the three of these are going to equal out to $2.34. We're going to submit our receipt to the coupons.com app for $1.50. And then we're going to get back $1.50 on Ibotta, making them a 66-cent moneymaker. So next we're going to get the Sentiva disinfectant wipes for $4.74. Yeah, go ahead, grab them. Nope, the next ones. Those ones, yes. These are $4.74, and we are going to get a really good deal on these. Go ahead and put it in the cart, Andrew. I missed all my math. So we're going to use this at 55 cents off coupon from the Clorox website. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $1.25. We're also going to get back $1.50 on swagbucks because they have those offers for individual Clorox items. Then that's going to make your total $1.44, but I have $1.50 on Brand Club, so it's going to make these free and a 6-cent moneymaker. And I'll definitely take that for those big tub of wipes. So next we're going to get the Splash Water, and they are $2.98. I thought these were like $1.47 a few months ago, but anyways, they're $2.98. Go ahead and grab the one you want, Andrew. And then we are going to get back $1 on Ibotta, thank you, making it $1.98, which isn't terrible. No, you can go ahead and put it up here. Yep, which isn't terrible for a pack of water. So now we have a Velveeta deal and the deluxe mac and cheese deal again, but I'm going to do it a little bit differently this time, only because I have a bonus if I get 3 boxes. So we're going to get 3 boxes. We're going to get one of these. 1, And we're gonna get 2 of these. 2 of those. Yes, thank you. These are gonna equal out to 10 at 29. We're gonna use this 3 off 3 coupon from the 612 Smart Stores. And then we are going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. We're gonna get back $1 on each box from Ibotta. But since I'm getting 3, I'm gonna fulfill a bonus where I get $1 back as well. Because on my account, I have, if you buy 5, then you get a bonus. So these 3 would be my 5th. And then I'm going to submit my receipt to checkout 51 for $1.50 back on 2. And it's going to be $1.79 for all 3 boxes. So I think that's a really good deal. So we're going to grab the creamy sriracha sauce for $3.47. We have, let's see it here, we have $1 coupon. This comes from the, I do believe, the June Unilever insert. So then you would pay $1.47. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta, but then this is attaching to several rebates on Fetch Rewards. So it could be as much as a $2.23 moneymaker. If not, it'll be free and we'll take it. So there you go. So we have a little freebie here at Walmart if you don't have a Walgreens. So the shave gel is $5.97. There's a $1.50 rebate back on Ibotta. There is also 4,500 points back on Fetch. So that would all equal out to $6, making this free and a little 3-cent moneymaker. So I'm definitely going to grab it because I need offers. But if you have a Walgreens, definitely go to Walgreens. So this is everything we are grabbing today. Hopefully everything turns out great. We're going to go to self-checkout, and me and Andrew will meet you in the car and let you know how everything went. All right, guys, we are back in from Walmart, and everything went great. I had no real issues in store. The only real thing that happened was a few of the rebates that I wanted to get were no longer available. One of them being that huge moneymaker that is for $12 back on those little facial dermaplaning razors. I wasn't able to get up to Walgreens yesterday, but I looked today thinking that the rebate would still be there, but it wasn't there. But my store didn't have them anyway, so it's no big deal. Although who wouldn't love a $6 moneymaker? But it's gone now for me anyways. It's not even on my list. And the Neutrogena, it changed from $1.25 to $1, and it no longer includes that travel size. So that is really the only thing there. None of my coupons beeped. I didn't need a CSM to come over and approve anything, so that is great. As for all of my rebate apps, the only problem I had was with swagbucks. It didn't pick up anything. So I just submitted that for a review. It looks like that process is a little bit more streamlined than before, so maybe they'll just get back to me in a couple of days and give me the $1.60, because I noticed that there was 10 cents or 10 swagbucks back for that splash water. So other than that, everything went beautiful, and you won't believe my total. My total really surprised me. It really did. I asked Andrew, I said, how much do you think it cost? And he's like, $80. And I'm like, well, yeah, that's how much it was at checkout, but how much did it cost for me? And he's like, $10. But anyways, see, people can't see you now because the phone is down here and not up there.
I know.
So you're gonna have to get in the middle. There you go. We did stop at Walgreens really quick to grab some more Dollar Shave Club items. So my total for everything between the two stores equaled out to $87.48. Like I said, all of my coupons worked totally fine here at the store, and at Walgreens, my coupon for the Dollar Shave Club came off totally fine as well. So then I got back the $3 register reward for the Dollar Shave Club. Then I got back $39.71 in regular rebates on Ibotta. So I do want to tell you guys that for the Hello Bello, for the Ibotta rebate, I did get the 1, and I did get back the $9.98 from Ibotta for that. So that is amazing. I also got back the $5 Weekend Warrior bonus, and I did get the $1 mac and cheese bonus for the Velveeta and the Kraft. I got back 35 cents for purchasing 2 separate gift cards. And by purchasing those gift cards, I don't count them as in money saved because it's just old Ibotta money sitting in my Ibotta account. So I just purchase gift cards with that money. Then I got back $15.02 on Ibotta. So I got $9.11 on Fetch for the Dollar Shave Club at Walgreens, and then $5.91 on Fetch here at Walmart for the Hellmann's and for the Dollar Shave Club. And for the Hellmann's, I only got back $1.20, but that's totally fine. It's totally fine. Then I got back $1.50 on checkout 51 for the craft. That did reset. I'll get back $3.50 from the coupons.com app, $2 for the poise, and $1.50 for the pedigree. So we'll get back $17.74 on Shopkick. We'll be getting back kicks from the Olay, the poise, and the Happy Place body wash. I should get back $1.60 on swagbucks, $1.50 for the Clorox, and 10 cents for the water. And then I should get back $8.25 on Brand Club. Now I did see on Brand Club that I did have a $1.50 survey for the craft. So I'm going to submit my receipt and do the survey for that one as well before I sync my receipt. So I'll be getting back $2.50 for the Always, $2.75 for the Olay, $1.50 for the Clorox, and $1.50 for the craft. So what does that make my total today? So I did think my total was free and an $8.69 moneymaker, but I forgot that on the coupons.com app, I wasn't getting $3 back, I was getting $3.50 back. So my total today for everything would be free and a $9.19 moneymaker. And I am so happy with that. So happy with that. So definitely take a look at all your rebate apps. Yes, there's a lot of components, a lot of things going on there to get to that point, but it's a fun puzzle for me to do. So just double check your Ibotta app to make sure that the rebates that you want to get are still there when you're in store, because even though you might check them when you're at home, you might get in the store and they might be gone. That was the case for me with the Head and Shoulders. That would have been a really good deal for me as well, but that rebate went away between yesterday and today. So that is okay. We still got great deals, great things, and I'm super happy with that. What do you think, Andrew? Andrew, what do you think?
What do you think about what?
That I got good deals today.
Oh yeah, really good. Really good.
All right. He's cheering. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
My hair.
Your hair. Bye. Oh, and I did want to tell you guys, for that Hello Bello, I did get back the $9.98 or $9.98. Ugh. So on Shopkick, we're getting back $17.74. I get back $17.74 on Shopkick. Oh my gosh. And just double check your, I'll get back $17.74 on Shopkick. You hear that boy back there yawning? He didn't wake up till 8:30 and he's all, I'm so sleepy. Aren't you, Andrew? Ew! What are you doing back there? Thank you.